What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I have a simple video for people who are looking on how to add a new user to your Google Ads account. It may sound simple, but people get lost and confused and they don't know how to do this. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do this. Very quick video, probably 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Okay, so real quick video, guys. I'm going to show you how to add a new user to your Google Ads account and the process and how it works and all that. Again, like I said, this will be a 2-minute video, very quick. So the first thing you're going to do, which you cannot see, it's up here, up right here. You're going to click the little wrench icon that says Tools and Settings, right? You're going to come down here under Setup, Access and Security, and it's going to open up your user area here. Well, there's going to be behind this little box here, there's going to be a blue button. You're going to click Add, right? You're going to add the email address. Sorry, this thing shouldn't even be here. I don't know why it's, get out of here. Beat it. You're going to add the email address of the new user that you want to add. Access expires. You can choose a date or just never. Doesn't really matter. And here, this is important, guys. You're going to give them access to what they can see, right? So you want to make them an admin, and it gives you all their admin privileges down here, right? So there's a bunch of different things you can do. So choose the appropriate access they have, and then you just hit send invitation. And what happens next is Google is going to email the user email that you added to your account, and they have to accept the invitation. And once they do, they will be able to log into your account. Hopefully this video was helpful. Told you 2 minutes. See you in the next video.